Here we have a box alder log that we picked up recently. This wood is also known as Manitoba Maple. We can tell just by looking at it that there will be some interesting features inside. So let's get started with the cutting. This log was originally about 12 feet long, but it had a 45-degree bend in it. As a result of the bend, it wouldn't sit properly on the bed. So we decided to split it into two smaller pieces. For this video, we are running the cut speed in double time. The boards here are being cut to 2 1/4 inch thickness. After the second cut here, we had one of our guide bearings seize up and start sparking. We're having some issues with the welding on the bandsaw blades and is causing the blades to surge back and forth each cycle. It looks like it is causing the bearings to wear out prematurely. Anyways, we replaced the bearings and now we're ready to cut again. Here you can see the final cut for this log. We were lucky it held together, as there's not much material left in the holding clamps. Here is the second log loaded up and ready to cut. As you can see, there's a little bit of rocking on this log. We probably should have done a better job of clamping it. If you are interested in where this log came from, take a quick look at the map. This log came from eastern Manitoba, which is located in Canada. Now we'll let you watch the last few cuts. You'll see some extremely nice colors in these boards.
So here's a few slabs we cut from a maple log, Manitoba Maple, and got some really nice color and pattern in the pieces, and some of them will show a lot of red from the tree fighting the fungus off. That happens here in Manitoba, and they look really nice. Some of them are kind of ragged, but some of the grain patterns and the colors are phenomenal. So we're really happy with what came out. And even the browns, some of the browns are really nice. And here we got a small piece that we just ran through the planer to smooth it off, and we're gonna dump some water on it to show the colors popping out. So you can see there how nice those colors are. And This is one of my favorite pieces here. Look at the colors in there. Beautiful. There was a lot of burl on the outside of the tree, so the burl will pop out too when it gets wet or gets finished off.
Okay. Take one more of this one. Really look at the color in there.
Yeah, yeah.
We have some huge logs which we will be cutting up next. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of our sawmill videos, be sure to subscribe.